I'll do another 5 if someone else does. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Well, guess what? Since you already super chatted, I'll make you a moderator. Boom. How about that? Anybody who super chats $4.99, you will become a moderator. How about that? For helping me hit my daily goal. It seemed like as soon as I moved the car, that's when DoorDash like to send out an order. Let me make sure my volume up so I don't miss no Uber order. Hold on. There we go. Is the volume up? Yep, we good. Yes, sir. Everybody welcome Seiko, our brand new channel moderator. We let the trolls live for the most part, but when they get to tripping, we time them out for about 5 or 10 minutes. How long does it take to get reactivated? It depends. If you just a regular $3 driver, it might take a while. But if you the fastest dasher in your area, then you can get reactivated immediately. So you just got to become the fastest dasher in your area. I just went to the dispensary like 4 days ago. I join these lives, I get another dash of 500. Oh, good for you. Shout out to Seiko. We appreciate you. But I'd appreciate DoorDash sending me another order so I can raise my acceptance rate. Like, what's going on? You gonna allow me back in the schedule, but then you not gonna send me an order? Jacquelina. They didn't even know if they wanted to make you a Jacqueline or a so you a Jacquelina. Match accepted. Shout out to Nieces for the 4. What that? No, that's a whole 5. That's the extra penny. $5 super chat. Let's go. Do you have to take every trash order to get your AR up faster? That's kind of a trick question because you don't have to take every order. But yes, if you take every order, will it get your... Yes, it will get it up faster. Jacquelina Donald is a boy. Well, my bad for disrespecting you, Jacquelina. That's wild. That's wild. Shout out to Jacquelina for joining the chat. Damo says trick DoorDash. I'm trying to. They tricking me right now though. Who do you wait? How do you do the wow $5? I only how you do the whole $5? I only see $4.99. That's actually a good question. Alex said it, not me. I just got on DoorDash and completed my 30th order. And any good tips on being a good dasher? Watch dashers on YouTube. The quicker you understand what we are all dealing with and the way we look at these apps, the quicker you'll become more profitable. Does AR actually affect seeing orders? Yes. $4.99 is for iPhone. And Android allows you to do whole dollar increments. That actually does sound like a reasonable explanation for that. That really does. Cause iPhone, they not finna let you just do that without taking a little penny. Like I feel like they need that penny. I'm starting a viral cuss jar. You have to contribute $1 for every cuss word and donate to the homeless. Alrighty, hold me to it. Just had a line that you pull towards amount you want in super chat. Yes, yep, that's what I got too. On mine, I just got a line. I just pull it to what amount I want, and I don't even know if it lets you put in custom amounts. I actually have never even tried that. So DoorDash playing the game where they not giving me nothing until I move. Man of my words, Seiko with the $4.99 on the iPhone. Let's go. It's been on Uber Eats over a year and just thought maybe difference between the two platforms. How early did you go out today? Today I didn't even get out until 3 p.m. because I was at home editing videos, getting the catalog together so I can make sure I have something to put out consistently every day. And then I was like, you know what? How about I do a live stream too so that I can use that